with the Louisville Free Public Library. In 2017, we launched the Collider Artist in Residence program. Joan Brannon is our February 2021 virtual Collider Artist in Residence. We are excited to welcome Joan back as she was one of our in-person artists in February of 2019. Joan is a Louisville percussionist and musician, and we hope you'll join her live program.
Hello, I'm Joan Brannon. I am the artist in residence for February 2021. I'm a percussionist, a drummer, I am an instrument maker, and basically a lover of the vibration of the drum. And that's what I want to bring to this residency over the next several weeks. And I think the way this is going to work is there'll be several videos, 3 videos released, and then the final interaction with everyone will be Zoom, and we'll be able to do something together and more interactive. So for today, I'm here to introduce myself. I've been drumming for many years. I've been teaching drumming for a long time. I first started teaching when a group of women in Lexington asked me to teach them. They would see me playing all the time with men and just thought, wow, this is something that we can all be doing. And that's when I started teaching, and that was probably 20 years ago. My studies have been kind of all over the place, but very interesting. I was self-taught in the beginning. I got a drum, a djembe. This is a djembe that I'm playing right now. And I didn't have a teacher, so I began by teaching myself. And along the way, I have had instruction by teachers in different parts of the United States. At one point, I went to a really amazing drum camp in Northern California. And there were varieties of drums from all over the world and teachers from all over the world. And they were all women. So there I was able to learn different African traditions. I learned taiko drumming. I learned Latin drumming, just all varieties of drums. And so that was a really good experience. I also studied West African drumming. I did like a 3-week intensive in West Africa to go more deeply in the tradition that I had been studying for so long. So when I teach West African culture. I am born and raised in Kentucky, so I also teach the connection of drumming as I have experienced it as a Kentuckian. And I had for many years led a group called Sisters of the Sacred Drum, and that's basically what we did. We did a journey of traditional African drumming, and then we kind of educated and presented about how the drumming influenced us here as African Americans. So really interesting history and storytelling there. I also, for a number of years, drummed with a group called Sabari Bengoma, and it was traditional West ensemble drum and dance based in Louisville, here in Louisville, and that was a really great experience. And let's see, I've performed with American Spiritual Ensemble, which is a classical music group that does spirituals. I've performed with other people who do different forms of music, like old time music. I love incorporating drumming into old time musical traditions like banjo. And that's a wonderful way to teach the connection of that culture, because the banjo is also from Africa. I'm a teaching artist, so before coronavirus, you would find me at schools, community centers, colleges, universities, churches, any place where people wanted to take some time and either do a workshop to learn technical skills or come together in a drum circle setting to explore connection. The drum brings the heartbeat into the community. So I love about the drum that you don't have to have a deep experience in music in order to create something beautiful. You just need a willingness to connect with your heart. And if you can connect with your heart and connect with the drum and have a wonderful experience, you can connect with that rhythm in a group of people and build something beautiful together. So those are the kind of things that I have enjoyed doing for many, many years. I think in our final session on Zoom, we will be able to do something to that effect to be able to connect everybody. The Zoom session will be for multiple generations, so we'll be able to do things where the family can come together.